Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a zoom in or zoom out effect on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and now from here what we're gonna do to add a zoom in or zoom out is we simply need to select our clip right here, and then from here we simply need to set a keyframe on our scale option right here. So you must first put your playhead button on the clip and where you want to start the zoom in or the zoom out. So let's say I wanted to start by this time the clip by here, and then I want to go and position my scale keyframe right here. So I'm gonna add a keyframe right here. So in this point of the clip, it's gonna be at 107%. And when I move this playhead now into somewhere here, and then I want to go and add a keyframe again, and then I'm gonna edit the value into to zoom in. So we need to have a higher value than our previous keyframe so that it would zoom in. Let's say 130 right there, and when we play this it will be like this right here. As you can see, it is gradually zooming in, but as you can see it's not really visible because the value wasn't that much. So let's go and set it into 70 so that it will be noticeable. So now let's play it again, and as you can see, you can already see clearly that it is zooming in right here. So that is basically how we do it. And if you want to zoom out, then you simply need to do the opposite. It should be lower than the previous keyframe, so lower percentage. So let's say 50, and now you can see it zooming out just like this one right here. But as you can see, we haven't deleted the previous keyframe, that is why it's still zooming in. So let's delete the previous one, and now we can see that it's now zooming out right now, right here. As you can see, it's now zooming out, and that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.